Good morning, everyone. Namaskar. My ex-member of the commission, Soso Salza, who is the force behind my coming here, and you were right. From last many years, she was inviting me again and again and come that I should come to Ukhrul and meet women of the district. And here I am. Thank you, Soso, for getting me here. ADM of the district, ASP of the district, women representatives of all the organizations from TSL, from Ukhrul District Women Institute of Microcredit, from AWID, POSCO, Women Self-Help Groups, Women Vendors, One-Stop Center representatives, and civil society organizations. Thank you for coming and talking to me, listening to me and talking to me, interacting with me. It's been long due that we people from mainland should come to these districts and talk to you people. And my agenda in the commission since the time I have joined as a member in 2015 was always to go at far-flung areas, meet women of the area, talk about their problems and come back and try to solve those problems as far as I'm concerned, and whatever I can do, whatever is in my power, I'm always there for you to help out. There are few issues which have come up today into my previous speaker, what she raised, we will talk about those also. But before that, let me also talk about the issues which I have observed in these areas and how women of these areas, especially Northeastern women, how they are empowered and different from mainland women. You women are already so much empowered. You have say not only in your houses, you are going out working in the market, and I think the marketplace is all dominated by women, and it required guts for women to go out, not only produce their whatever production they are doing in the farms, but also do marketing, selling. In these hardships, you are not only facing hardship, there are no markets close by. You are selling in local markets, still you are doing lot of work. But I have seen that Northeastern people are also dependent on the government jobs. Lot of people are dependent on the government job. Now is the time that we should come out of those jobs and do our own thing, and that is women and entrepreneurship. You are already doing in small way, but I want that women should learn better marketing. Government also should provide markets to them, help them out in training, packaging their material. Small industries, there are many schemes of government where you can take loans from the banks. There are schemes in MSMEs where you can be benefited. Know about all the schemes of women. Go to the different government websites. I think the state government also has many schemes. I don't know about those schemes, but I know the center has many schemes, especially for Northeastern women. So kindly go on government websites, see what all schemes you have. Whereas awareness programs are concerned, we at NCW are doing many awareness campaigns, and we always tell state commissions to find funds, to get funds from us to do awareness programs in the districts. I don't know the capacity of the state commission now, but earlier they were taking funds from us and organizing awareness programs in the different districts. Again, tomorrow I am meeting the state commission and I will tell them that you are most welcome to take the funds from us, do the awareness programs. We also are doing with the National Legal Service Authority, and this time we have told them to organize 2 programs in every taluka level. So they will also reach you this year. I'm sure that they will reach in this district also. DALSA has also got funds to do awareness programs. I don't know whether they are doing here or not. District Legal Service Authority, are they doing awareness program here? If they are not, you can tell them to do awareness programs. They have lot of funds. They also have funds to provide for rape victims and to acid attack victims. Whether they are providing those or not, I will take I will talk to the DC, acting DC about it, but they should. We are running a few entrepreneurs programs, and tomorrow there is a program in Manipur where we are teaching women vendors about how they can sell their products online, and also how to take advantage of the banks, how they can take loan, how they can use banking on mobile or on internet. But again, there has to be internet for that, and I've seen that internet is very powerless here. It's not working properly. I again will request to ADM to take up this matter with the concerned authorities, because if women want to do anything online, and these days everything is online, they should sell their products, they should market their product online. You can sit. And one more thing which I would like to mention, that tourism can be a very good resource for you to earn money. This is a beautiful place, and I am so happy that I came to see this place. People go to Nainital, people go to Shimla, Himachal, Uttarakhand. Now they are going to J&K also for good weather, and you people have got lovely weather here. Nature is beautiful over here. Why can't we start Airbnb type of homestays? Why can't we sell our place, this Ukhrul place, to tourists? Why can't we invite tourists? And for that, again, you have to sell it online. You have to do a course. I sent, when Soso was member, we had a training program from Airbnb where they trained women how to start their homestay. If you want, we can again train women. But after the training, they have to start their own business. We can't just have training program for nothing. And if you can't take privilege out of it, we will not be able to send it. So this is a very good opportunity where you can say, yes, the road problem is there. But since the COVID, people in mainland looking for a place which has got good internet, they can go there for months together, stay there, rent accommodation and work from that place. And now, even after COVID, offices have not started fully because they know that they can still work from home. And you people can earn lot of money out of that. But you have to market that place. You have to know how to market your place. I met few women who were growing flowers, but again the market is not there. I am going to take up this matter with CM tomorrow. Then how to provide them market where they can sell out of this place. Ukhrul is very small place for them. So they should have a better market, better facility to send those flowers outside this district, not only in Manipur but outside Manipur also. So let's hope that in coming days, when the road is better, we have train facilities and better air connections, you people will achieve much more than this. But still, I am going to take up all these matters with the state and also with the center. Speaker before me talked about Armed Forces Special Power Act. Center has already said that it is going to change the scenario slowly but surely. They have already promised, and I hope they will be following their promise. Coming from army family, my husband was in army. I felt really sad what she was, saying, that how army people were committing crime against women. Because I have seen army in a different way. They are disciplined, they respect women, and I have not seen anywhere else how they respect women in army. These are border areas, and we do require presence of army in these areas. We cannot say that, and whatever you said, I think those were the incidents of 70s or maybe first part of 80s. Now these things are not happening, and we should better talk about positive things also which army do. When there are landslides, when there are floods, when any natural calamity is there, army is there to help you out. Why can't we speak about that? Why always we are speaking about the 70s where the atrocities happen, and I'm sorry if the atrocities happen, because I feel that I am also part of that family. But yes, the government should look for those cases where these things happen, and it should not happen in future. That also we have to make sure that these things should not happen in future. Whereas what you were saying, that should be away from Manipur, I don't think the army will go away, but yes, that special act will maybe go away very soon, and that's how the Home Ministry has promised recently. A lack of women police officers, that also this point I will raise with the CM tomorrow. Swadhar Greh, yes, there has to be a Swadhar Greh in every district, but women should also come out and complain. I have seen, so today morning when I went in one-stop center, they don't have enough work for 9 people working there. The women don't even come forward with their complaints. Even if they come forward, they don't want to be separate from their husbands. They go back to the person who are committing crime against them. So we women should be strong enough to complain to the police first. Take advantage of these one-stop centers. We should come out. You people are earning. I think every family here in Manipur, women are earning somehow or other. Even if they are working in their own gardens, they are earning money. So why can't you be strong enough to complain if there is domestic violence in their houses, in your houses? You must have courage to complain. Swadhar Greh, even if we open Swadhar Greh here and keep people over there to take care of the Swadhar Greh, how many women will come up to take the advantage of that? Because I got to know that not a single woman have ever stayed in one-stop center where there are 5 beds. They should provide 5 beds over there. So if those 5 beds were never occupied, why would we have a Swadhar Greh here? Let's take advantage of those facilities which are there, and if required, yes, the salary is not, I got to know that from 20 months, and I am going to take up that matter with WCD. I don't know, I will listen to their side of story also, why they were not providing, why they are not providing. Do you have family counseling centers? Because if you have family counseling center, and you should have, every district has to have a family counseling center, and now the NCW will look after the family counseling center, and I promise you that we will run very smoothly, because now it has come recently. We have just signed the paper. So WCD is not going to look after that, NCW is going to look after, and you will see the sea change in that program. I think I have touched all the women should look beyond Government jobs, I already touched that point. Any other problem, you have our website ncw.nic.in. You can write again ncw.nic.in. You can go to that website, complain to us. Even if you want to do any special kind of program, write to us, we will arrange that program. There is no lack of funds for us. We are directly, and Soso is there. She is my representative here. You can always tell her whatever work you want from NCW. So with these promises, and these are the strong promises I am making, don't think that I will go and forget. No, I am not that kind of person. That's why I am here for the third term. This is my third consecutive term in NCW, because I like to work on ground. I like to meet women on the ground. I like to take care of problems of women on the ground. You can always get in touch with me through Soso. She's here.